Hey everyone, it's Skylar. Welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing very well. This was my requested video of my Shameless releasing. So far I have 22 but one spare. And if you haven't got it, I'll talk about that very quickly. So I want to dive into this and then go back to front and then go quickly. So here we go. Number 1. New York Ripper, spine 1. Number 2, Phantom of Death, spine 2. There you go, see it. Number 3, Killer Nun. Number 4, Torso, spine number 4. Number 6, Black Cat. Number 7, Flavia the Heretic. Number 8, Manhattan Baby. Number 9, Night Train Murders. Number 10, The Frightened Woman. Number 11, My Dear Killer. Number 13, What Have You Done to Your Daughters? Number 16, Strip Nude for Your Killer. Number 17, Oasis of Fear. Number 18, which is the same as this one. This is the one that I'm willing to exchange. The alternate name is The Cat Victim. Spine number 18, but the one I have in the English one is Watch Me When I Kill. So this is the one I'm wanting to exchange, if anyone wants to exchange anything that I haven't got. So that was number 18. Number 20 is Footprint in the Moon, also known as the Orm. 22, Love Goddess of the Cannibals, spine 22. Number 22. Number 34, House on the Edge of the Park, also known as La Casa Sperduta del Parco. Nel Parco. That was number 34. 37, Amsterdam. 45, The Sister of Ursula. 47, The Church, also known as La Chinesa. 48, The Sect. And 49, All the Colours of the Dark. So the numbers that I've missed out are the numbers that I need, so bear with me. So just hoping this works this time. That's what I have in my collection. So we'll start back from 49. All the Colours of the Dark. The Sect. The Church. Sister of Ursula. Amsterdam. House on the Edge of the Park. Love Goddess of the Cannibals. Footprint of the Moon. The Cat Victims, also known as Watch Me When I Kill. Oasis of Fear. Strip Nude for Your Killer. What Have You Done? What Have They Done to Your Daughters? My Dear Killer. The Frightened Woman. Night Train Murders. Manhattan Baby, which is one of my favourites. Flavia the Heretic. Black Cat. Torso. Killer Nun. Phantom of Death. And of course New York Ripper. So there's the 22 of the 50 titles I have. There might be a few more. If there's any that you think I do need, let me know. If anyone wants to trade me for this, let me know. But the ones that I've got my eyes on at the moment, people can let me know whether prices have gone down, prices have gone up, are the washing machine, which is a very special edition, Cannibal Holocaust, just to complete this collection. That Cannibal Holocaust. Yeah, the washing machine, Cannibal Holocaust. Baba Yaga. What's the other one? Baba Yaga. Venus and Affairs. And there's another one. So there's at least about, and Ratman. They're the 5 that I'm generally looking for, but if there's any others that you think I should have in the collection, let me know. If prices vary between movie outlets, let me know whatever's the best price and I'll go and grab it. I want them all on DVD. Sorry about that, I needed a drink. So yeah, I have 22 out of 50. So I need another 28 in my collection. And then when I do get it all, I'll do an overview. So hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Turn that notification bell on. Get a brand new video if and when I can. Speaking of something, I want to say this. I'm on my week left with my hiatus. I will be vlogging from next week. A week today, hopefully. If anybody who watches my videos knows where I'm going and they want to be a part of the vlog, do not hesitate to say to me, hey Skylar, can we say hello in one of your videos? Say hello, do a shout out, whatever. Or just, we can do a video together, whatever. That's fine, I'm happy about that. But if I'm in a vicinity where I'm filming and you're unhappy where I'm filming, just say, Skylar, film in another direction to where I'm at, and everything will be fine. That's cool with me as well, because I know that some people don't like to be filmed, so I'm fine with all that. But I know a lot of people aren't. So anyway, stay gaudy, have unpleasant dreams, and I will see you all soon. Ta-ta for now, bye.